So in this video I'll show you how to set up all-in-one SEO pack tutorial for beginners. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorials and I do a lot of plugin reviews, so please consider subscribing. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you, so stay tuned. So let's begin. So currently guys, I'm using Bluehost. This is one of the best web hosting and I have 70% discount. The link is in the description. So if you want this hosting, you could just get 70% off if you click the link in the bio. So now let's begin. So currently right now I'm in the WordPress dashboard. All you have to do to install the plugin is click on plugins, just click on add new, just type SEO, and as you could see, all-in-one SEO pack, 202+ million active installation. So you can just click install now. So now it's installing. Guys, it's really easy to set up. I'm just gonna give you an overview how to activate it and how to set up your all-in-one SEO pack plugin. So once you click on activate, click on settings, SEO settings. So I would suggest leave this as it is. And again, this is your home title. So if you go back to the website, this will show you see football tricks. As you could see, football tricks and yavarkhan.com. So you could see football tricks. Description is you can write your description over here. So the best suggestion I could give you is go to google.com. So let's say your website is about football tricks. Okay, so you need to narrow down. Okay, this is your keyword. Make sure you copy something similar to this. So you could say smart soccer tricks for kids, soccer coaching, cleaning. This is the domain name. Something like, you can just take this as a reference and you could put over here and make some changes. The next thing is leave all this as it is. Leave this as it is. Even the display settings, post and pages. So guys, Google Search Console, I wanted to tell you one thing. This is basically how you could verify your website with Google. It's really easy. All you have to do is go to Google Search Console. This is the first link. You need to have a Gmail ID to verify your website with Google. So I've already done it, but I'm just gonna show it to you. So I'm just gonna say this is my domain, okay, .com. I'll click continue. Once you get this one, make sure you see this thing. So just copy from is equal to till here at the end, Control C and Control V, paste it. Okay, and then you could just save it and then you can click on verify. I've already done with my website, so I don't need to do it again. So yeah, and this is Google Analytics. Once you install Google Analytics, you'll get the code. You can just read the help section, but I'm not going to do it right now on this video. Just leave this as it is. If you want to put your phone number, your organization logo, if you have a logo, if you're a person, then you can just click over here. So you could see my name is popping up, and this is organization. If it's for a company, you're making a website, you can use organization. You could put the details over here, the organization name, the logo, the phone number, and you could say what is it all about. Now this is also really important. Okay, these default to no index means basically these are pages you don't want Google to index. So usually I would suggest let everything be indexed by Google, but there are some instances where you don't want the media, the image to be indexed by Google. So you could just do this thing, and the rest is keep it as it is. There are no changes to it, everything. Okay, and basically this section is for something to track. So once you're in GA and you want to track or on Facebook pixels, you want to track something, you could paste the code over here. You could just read. Okay, or if you want to paste some code, Google code or Facebook pixel, you could paste over here and just leave this as it is. That's it. And once you come on performance, this is how it is. Keep it 256, use the default, and just enable this, and this is it. If I go on feature manager, this is something you need to activate, XML sitemap. So just click on activate it, and once it's activated, yeah, so you could click over here, and as you could see, you view your sitemap XML. So this is your structure of your website, as you could see over here. Then you can just copy this thing again. If you go back to Google Search Console, click on sitemaps, and you could paste your sitemap over here. I've already done it, so it shows me success, but you have to do it again if it's a new website. And this is how you verify your website with Google, and Google will start indexing your WordPress website, and it will start ranking your keywords. So this is the full tutorial on all-in-one SEO pack, and as I promised you all that I'm gonna give you a free gift. So here it is, guys. So I've created a free crash course on how to set up a WordPress blog step by step, and I've included the best SEO plugin, the best security plugin, everything is included over there. The link is in the bio. And again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.